no matter what field you're in, for a woman to rise up to be queen pin of mafia, उसकी एक जर्नी रही होगी. तो it was very important for me to humanize her. जैसे जैसे हम बिहेव करते हैं सोसाइटी में, जो हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं लेते हैं, तो किसी और का तो हक जाता है ना उसमें. For Amma and for creating Amma is the fact that she's simply a product of the structural violence that exists in society.
There was this another shot in which there was a baby in the polythene bag. How was it very difficult shooting?
This credit entirely to the writing and the directing team that they thought of something like that. Think about the kinds of things that are happening to children in war-ridden places, famines हैं. There are so many things that are there. तो ये imagination में हमारा है, क्योंकि हमारे आसपास भी इतना वायलेंस है.
रानी के साथ आपका काम करके कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? You guys were head to head.
Isn't it amazing? We were head to head and never met.
The phone call dhamki wala scene also was very impactful.
Thank you. I'm glad to hear that. It's always a pleasure to work with someone who has experience and who knows her craft. इस project में हमारा ये मौका नहीं मिला कि we would be on set together. My work was entirely in my imagination.
Okay.
I worked with Shivani Roy in my head, and she obviously would have worked with an Amma in her head as well. And that sort of worked out very well for the film.
कहते हैं एक विलन उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है जितना उसका हीरो. Joining me in conversation today is Mallika Prasad, who has made sure that her screen presence is felt and has given us chilling thrills. Hello Mallika ma'am, welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
How are you feeling that your film has released, and what are your excitement levels?
I think I'm very excited that our film has released, and I feel very, very happy, humbled, and excited about the fact that Amma has received so well, and right from the get-go, having seen her on trailer, she's been accepted so well and so widely.
Right.
So of course, as an actor, you feel good about that.
We have seen that Mardani 1 and 2 had again very powerful villains, and now you are the first female villain of this franchise. How are you taking all that in? Because when the men were the villain, it was a little bit more gory and very violence oriented, but when it comes to you, aap ekdam ek manipulative. It is very psychologically, you're playing games psychologically with those little girls. As a woman, how did you perceive it, when you were going to perform?
Oh, there are many pieces to your question, so I'll try and address them separately. First of all, it is important to recognize the fact that the Mardani franchise actually excels in creating their villains, and mine is one of them, and I'm very happy to be part of that hall of fame of villains here. एक तो वो बात है, I enjoyed creating Amma. Yes, it's also a flip that the franchise has done, from going from your psychopathic, rapist kind of villains to a female villain, which is really exciting because female villains, ऐसे larger than life female villains, you don't see so many in popular cinema. So it is obviously a pleasure and a privilege to play her. मेरे लिए आई थिंक जो सबसे ज़रूरी बात ये थी कि क्योंकि ये एक फीमेल किरदार है, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है ना कि नो मैटर व्हाट फील्ड यूर इन, फॉर अ वुमन टू राइज अप टू बी द क्वीन पिन ऑफ माफिया, उसकी एक जर्नी रही होगी. तो इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू ह्यूमनाइज हर, टू फाइंड हर स्टोरी इन द टेक्स्ट. और एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ जो मुझे इस स्क्रिप्ट में मिला है फॉर अम्मा एंड फॉर क्रिएटिंग अम्मा इज़ द फैक्ट दैट शी इज़ सिंपली अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चरल वायलेंस दैट एग्जिस्ट्स इन सोसाइटी. एंड वो जो वायलेंस है उसकी मतलब वो प्रोडक्ट है, उसकी देन है. तो उससे भी एक मतलब न्याय या जस्टिस छीन लिया गया है.
राइट. तो आपने ये पहले भी बोला था,
हमें सब जगह ये बात,
हाँ, सोसाइटी, शी इज अ विलन क्रिएटेड बाय द सोसाइटी. सो बट जब हम ऐसे देखते हैं स्क्रीन पे, हमें खौफ बैठ जाता है. बट दैट इज नॉट द फर्स्ट थिंग, वी डोंट परसीव इट दैट वे. you as a character, you have to understand it, which is why you perceive that. But when we look at you perform like that, we are scared. We are like, oh my god, ऐसे भी लोग exist करते हैं और हमें इनसे दूर रहना है. तो जब आप perform भी कर रहे हो, आप ये दो चीज़ों को कैसे separate रखते हो कि you know?
देखिए, एज अ एक्टर, एज अ क्रिएटर, एज एन आर्टिस्ट, हमारा काम है कि आपको एक अवेयरनेस की ओर ले जाएं, एक ऑडियंस को एक ऐसी चीज़ बताएं ताकि वो सिर्फ फिल्म तक ही न सीमित हो. आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा भी लगे कि हाँ, ये ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, लेकिन आम जिंदगी में हम वो ऐसी चीज़ क्या करते हैं जिसकी वजह से किसी का न्याय छिन जाता है. Because we are all responsible, no? And it's not a creation, it is a shaping. जैसे जैसे हम बिहेव करते हैं सोसाइटी में, जो हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ नहीं लेते हैं, तो किसी और का तो हक जाता है ना उसमें, है ना?
True.
तो सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो कि डरा तो दिया है स्क्रीन पे, लेकिन अब होपफुली हमारा मतलब ये हमारी इच्छा ये भी रहती है कि आपको सोचने पर ये भी मजबूर करे कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में मतलब उसको कैसे समझते हैं.
Right.
You know, so hopefully that is the intention of any artist when we pick up, you know, difficult themes such as this one, no?
Yes. Also, the term Amma, it was used on screen before. Kangana Ranaut used it as Jayalalitha ji, and now you are completely. Obviously, she was a very powerful character, and now you are a ruthless Amma. So how are you? आपका क्या reaction था इस चीज़ पे जब आपको पता चला कि this is something, when you read the script or when the script was offered to you? What was your reaction in like receiving the role? Like what made you decide कि मैं ये करूँगी?
I had only one scene, और उस मेरे लिए वो it's a उसकी आवाज़ मुझे सुनाई दे रही थी, and I felt कि it is very interesting कि there is a character. जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा मैंने तो आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग दैट शी डजंट कमिट एनी एक्ट ऑफ वायलेंस. परपेट्रेट करती है एंड शी इज़ द मोस्ट रूथलेस कैरेक्टर इन द फिल्म, बट शी एक्चुअली डज नथिंग. यू नो, शी मतलब वो किसी को घोंप नहीं रही है, किसी को मार नहीं रही, पीट नहीं रही, कुछ नहीं कर रही है. सो हाउ डज वायलेंस गेट ट्रांसमिटेड इन द इमेजिनेशन ऑफ द व्यूअर? ये मतलब बहुत एक्साइटिंग होता है एक एक्टर के लिए कि हम आपको ये विश्वास कैसे दिलाएं कि ये कैरेक्टर पावरफुल है, ये रूथलेस है, वायलेंट है, विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग.
It's all the mind games.
इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरली अ माइंड गेम, क्योंकि
Because
उसमें एक मतलब अजीब सा टॉक्सिक कॉनोटेशन होता है. आई लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इट एज एन एक्टर कि the job is to be believable in the world that you're entering, you know, and हमारा काम वही होता है. So as when you create a character, is it believable?
Yeah.
You know, and your process can be completely different. It's okay.
If people are actually not liking the character in the sense, if they're not liking that
Yeah,
Malika Prasad on screen,
Yeah.
then not Amma on screen, sorry, my bad, then you know कि you have succeeded as an actor in delivering that to the audience, which I think has definitely happened.
Thank you.
There was this another shot in which there was a baby in the polythene bag. How was it very difficult shooting? क्योंकि वो देख के even we were like a little bit, you know, freaked out seeing that scene. But when you were performing it, how did you go through that?
I hand this credit entirely to the writing and the directing team that they thought of something like that. While performing, आपका जो भी किरदार है, आपका काम है to inhabit that character.
Yeah.
तो आप उसको जितने सरलता से उस चीज़ को अपने शरीर में ढाल देते हैं तो उतना ही इफ़ेक्टिव होता है. आई इमेजिन, मुझे नहीं पता. तो आई थिंक हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट वॉज इट टू परफॉर्म इट. आई थिंक वो सारा काम हम सेट पे आने के पहले कर लेते हैं एज एक्टर्स. बट माई क्वेश्चन इज़ हाउ डिड दे थिंक ऑफ दिस?
Yes.
You know, and that is the question for the writers and the direction team, because it's that, I mean, वो हमारे collective imagination में ये इतनी violence है क्योंकि हमारे आसपास भी इतना वायलेंस है.
Right.
Think about the kinds of things that are happening to children in you know, war-ridden places, famines हैं, you know, there are so many things that are there. तो ये imagination में हमारा है.
But when you're preparing for such a role, you know, it is completely filled with darkness. तो जब आप prepare करते हो, have there been times where you feel that negativity is somewhere affecting you, or maybe you get too indulged in the character that you have been consumed
I think that's
by
a very good word. I think that's indulgence. And as actors, I think as a professional actor, I don't indulge in things like that. हमारा बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट एक मेरे लिए मेरा अपना रूल है कि आई शुड नो हाउ टू सस्पेंड माई बिलीफ्स, माई रियलिटी, सो दैट आई कैन इनहैबिट somebody else's reality with truth, और जो उस वर्ल्ड की ट्रूथ है ना. इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विथ मी. आई एम नॉट अ क्रिमिनल.
I know,
आई डोंट डू
definitely.
दैट टू चिल्ड्रन.
Right. But when you perform such heavy scenes ना, आपका भी होता होगा, दिल भारी हो जाता होगा करते टाइम.
नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता.
देखिए, हमारा दिल भारी होना चाहिए दुनिया को देख के,
हाँ.
कि इस दुनिया में हम रहते हैं, न बल्कि ना कि एक किरदार को देखकर हमें मतलब ओ भारीपन आ गया. दैट इज द वर्ल्ड वी हैव क्रिएटेड, एंड उससे हमें मतलब वी शुड बी थिंकिंग लाइक व्हाट आर वी डूइंग. उससे भारीपन होना चाहिए, एंड वो भारीपन है हमारे पास.
I totally.
And you know, as artists, that's what we do, and that's why we tell these stories, ताकि आपकी अवेयरनेस उस तरफ मतलब आपका ध्यान उधर जाए, you know.
So रानी के साथ आपका काम करके कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? You guys were head to head, like
Yes,
going.
isn't it amazing? We were head to head and never met.
Yes, the phone call धमकी वाला scene also was very impactful.
Thank you, thank you. I'm glad to hear that. I think it's always a pleasure to work with someone who has experience and who knows her craft, and to be around. So इस project में हमारा ये मौका नहीं मिला कि we would be on set together. तो हमारा my work was entirely in my imagination.
Okay.
I worked with Shivani Roy
Yes.
in my head, and she obviously would have worked with an amma in her head as well, and that sort of worked out very well for the film.
And I also heard that you shot the climax in one go.
Picture देखनी है लोगों को यार.
हाँ हाँ वो तो है, but थोड़ा क्लाइमैक्स के बारे में अब बताओगे तो.
क्यों बताऊं?
नहीं वैसा नहीं, but
क्लाइमैक्स के बारे में बता दूंगी तो फिर तो
शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस कि जब क्लाइमैक्स एक ऐसे फिल्म का इतना ज्यादा भारी भरकम टॉपिक पे है.
नहीं, आई थिंक लोगों को देखना चाहिए फिल्म, एंड दे शुड डिसाइड एज टू what the effect of that ending is, and I want to leave that for the audience to enjoy.
Right.
Yeah.
You have also worked in Killer Soup. So how different has that Zubaida character been from? It is very different, no doubt. But then, how do you easily transition from some roles like that to this?
I think every character that an actor plays, उस दौरान आप पूरा तरीके से उसमें आप उसको जिस तरीके से आप उसको शेप करना चाहते हैं, उसके इर्द गिर्द जो रिसर्च करना चाहते हैं, उसमें मेरा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ये एस्पेक्ट मुझे लगा कि आई वर्क विद अभिषेक चौबे, एंड ही ऑल्सो वॉज वेरी वंडरफुल टू वर्क विद, क्योंकि मुझे जो उसकी भाषा है, जो पूरा किलर सूप का एक वर्ल्ड है जहाँ पर सब कोई अलग अलग तरीके से बात करता है. आई ऑल्सो टीच वॉइस एंड स्पीच. तो जब कोई एक्टर अपने मतलब जो लोकेशन है वहाँ से बोलता है, तो उसकी जो ऑथेंटिसिटी है वो मतलब और खिल के आती है. सो एवरी कैरेक्टर हैड दैट फ्रीडम, एंड अभिषेक चौबे gave me so much freedom to literally write my lines in Dakhini.
Oh wow.
Which is a language I'm very fond of. It is from Bangalore, जो एक किस्म का मतलब खिचड़ी है of South Indian languages and Urdu all mixed together.
What does it include? What languages does it include?
It includes Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Urdu, and मतलब एक बहुत ही कलरफुल लैंग्वेज है, जो मार्केट का लैंग्वेज है, बैरक्स का लैंग्वेज है. तो उस भाषा को मैंने इस्तेमाल किया है ज़ुबैदा के लिए, and I had a lot of fun. And as I said, I've had the pleasure of working with a lot of people who've given me a
Right.
lot of freedom to work.
Right. Ma'am, but अभी आपने villain play किया है, so do you plan to like stick to such roles?
How can an actor do any such thing?
Right. But what if, say, where the debate comes of, maybe once you play a villain and you excel in that role, and there are some actors who get typecasted to certain roles like these.
देखिए वो उनकी जर्नी है, मुझे मेरी जर्नी है तो अभी खुल रही है, मुझे क्या पता कैसे
तो
होगा।
अभी अगर आपके पास एक और इंटरेस्टिंग विलन आएगा तो आप करोगे या नहीं करोगे?
That is the interesting question कि टाइपकास्ट होने का मतलब ये है कि वो आपको एक ही जैसा रोल मिलेगा,
Right.
है ना? बट इफ इट इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग रोल, मतलब आई हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेप इट द वे आई वांट टू आल्सो ना। एंड अभी तक तो व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग इज चूजिंग द रोल्स। मेरा मतलब फिल्मोग्राफी इतना लंबा चौड़ा है नहीं। आई एम आई हैव बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट आई हैव बीन वेरी सिलेक्टिव ऑफ द वर्क दैट आई डू। तो होपफुली that choice will still be available to me.
Do you think that this film will be the one that will, give you that, as you said, that you don't have a big filmography, but you select your roles whichever you like? Will this film give you more offers?
It's already done that.
Oh, wow.
I mean, this film has taken me, Mardani has taken me to everybody's house and heart. So of course, I'm so grateful for that.
That's lovely. Also, lastly, I would like to ask that, Mardani is one such film where a super villain who's a female, has been put there. But do you somewhere feel that, Bollywood needs to, why does a villain always have to be a macho alpha male, and why not a female like that?
I can't answer for the whole industry.
I-
I can only answer for myself and what I choose to do. I'm glad that this role came my way. And जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस करके बार बार बोलते हैं कि फीमेल, अरे यार we've been around for a very long time.
Yeah, even Rani Mukherjee said that I don't want to give this movie a female-centric tag. So
हाँ,
definitely,
that's true, and I'm glad that she's saying that because it's offensive. We've been around a long time, yeah.
right. I mean that needs
और
to.
हमने बहुत सारा काम बहुत सालों से हम लोग सब कर रहे हैं।
Right.
तो ये बार बार ये बात कहना, it's in one way erasing the work that women have been doing for so long.
Yeah.
हाँ, I am not denying the fact that this villain's character is special and is interesting. And ऐसा villain का किरदार इतना larger than life mega villain in a female form, it has not been seen so often. ये बात सच है. But to say कि ऐसा to box it too much
Yeah.
is unfair to all the women who've been working for so long
True.
and doing such brilliant work.
And I feel it's not about the female-centric thing, but this film is a very human-centric film, which everybody needs to, know about what is happening out there in the world.
I'm glad you're saying that.
Yes. I had a great time with
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much for this conversation, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Hi, this is Malika, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.